are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
So the lighting is utter rubbish in here, but welcome back to another video. Today's going to be a little fun one. It's just going to be a small one, ignore my hand. I'm going to be doing the blind taste test challenge. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so in front of me there's 5 glasses. The way it's going to work is I'm going to be blindfolded. I'm going to try Pepsi Max, Pepsi Diet, normal Pepsi, Diet Coke and Coke, and I have to taste each one after the other and then guess which one they are, and Sammy's going to tell me if they're correct or not. And yeah, he thinks I'm not going to do well. We shall see, because I'm going to prove him wrong, because I think I know this up by heart. I think I'll know. So yeah, please, if you like this video, subscribe, follow my TikTok, I'll put it in the description below, and comment your favourite emoji and your favourite drink. And let's get on with the video. Okay, so I'm blindfolded now. This is me blindfolded now, and Sammy's going to give me my first drink.
So you cannot see at all?
I cannot see.
Right. I'll start pouring them out. So you got this one and the first one. And we'll go with as the second.
Are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, fun.
No, go this one.
I've never looked so pretty.
I don't think you're filming a YouTube video being blindfolded.
Yeah, it's not the most common thing, I think. But I've seen this, and he has constantly been saying to me that he wants me to try it because he thinks I'll be bad at it. So.
Because I know you'll be bad at it.
No, I think I'll be good.
Use my hand. Right, that's the first one.
Let me know anyway as well if you would like any more challenge videos as well, if you find these funny. Okay.
Right. They're all to my right, but I'll give you the first one in front of you there. They're like a third full, so you need to.
Okay.
Right, I'll take that away. What do you think of that?
It's not great.
Not great, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Right, so what one was that?
That's Diet Coke.
Okay. And what was the first one?
Pepsi Max.
Alright.
I'll try it again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Right. What was that?
That's Coke.
Okay.
Pepsi.
Alright. And last one.
Pepsi.
Right, take your blindfold off. Okay. You're gonna line up the cans the way you think it goes. So you've tried it, that one first to that.
Right. So first, there's Pepsi Max.
Alright.
I'll try again just to.
Sure.
Diet Coke. Coke. Pepsi. Pepsi.
Alright. How well do you think you've done?
Maybe mixed up in those two. I think I've got those three right.
Yeah, 3 out of 5. That was Pepsi. Diet Pepsi.
Oh, 3 out of 5. That's not bad. That tasted more. That tasted more diet to me, to be honest, though.
That one was Pepsi. You've done better than I thought you would. Didn't think you would.
Those ones are really. I could distinguish them so quick. These two, see Coke, like, and it's my favourite drink. I drink it all the time. If you see me, I'm always probably drinking a can of Coke. So I know that straight away. That one I used to drink it every single day in school. So I know that one. I hate Pepsi Max. I do not like it at all.
So much better.
I can so tell what that was. Just those two I could distinguish. So yeah, that's my little video. Do you want to try?
No.
No? You don't want to try? Okay, well, that was the challenge. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you thought I was going to do well or not. Probably not. And yeah, just comment any challenges you want me to do or want Samuel to do. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.